Hello friends, this is John from ArtPrint. This is a DTF printer. Many customers, they find the white ink, the quality is not meets their requirement. Maybe they have all kinds of issues, clogged printhead, or the white ink is not solid. So maybe they find a better quality white ink. We need to change the whole white ink for this machine. We cannot directly pour the white ink inside the white ink tank because it has old ink and new ink that will mix. Maybe we will cause more problem. So we need to clean up the whole route. How we can do it? Something we need to be prepared a syringe and a storage. For example, now we use the waste bin, or you can use the big ink bottle to store the waste ink. And also we need the clean water. Okay, it's not just so much. We need maybe several bottles if you have. Okay, so let's do it. Pour out all the white ink in the white ink tank. And now we need to remove the tube from the side. This ink go out from here. And also the circulation tube also need to remove the, remove. Okay, now take out this tank. We go to clean it. Use the tap water. Now you can see the white ink already set down in the bottom. So we need to clean up it. Use the tap water. Okay, we put enough clean water inside, and now we insert back the tube, and this another circulation back tube we put inside the waste ink bin to store it waste ink. Okay. This circulation we turn to the max, and now you can see the water is circulation. Now the clean water will go this way and clean the whole route white ink and come out like this until we got the clean water go out from here. It's enough. This maybe will take 10 to 20 minutes. We just waste the clean water to clean whole system. Okay, now the water is almost finished, and you can see the water recycle back is very clean. It's almost very clean now. So now we remove out the 4 dampers, and we use a syringe to pull out from here. If we have the white ink, you cannot clean out from here. We need to change the damper. Yes, it's not easy to clean. Okay. Okay, we now pour out all the water inside. We connect back the stir motor. Now we use the syringe, pour out the ink out completely. Okay. Okay. Shake the white ink bottle to mix enough the white ink before you add in the printer. Now we wait for the white ink to come out from here. We recycle back, and once you have the white ink for about 5 seconds, you can insert back the white ink tank. Go inside here. This is for we can remove the water out from the tuber. Okay. Now this one, the white ink circulation power we change to about half, 50%, and this also change to 50%. Use a syringe pour out the new white ink from the damper and insert back to the printhead. Okay. 4 dampers already inside to a printhead. Satin and load ink. 2 head. White head 2 is white. For 15 to 20 seconds. Now the white ink is already loaded to the waste ink tank. After load ink, we clean wick. After clean, click the nozzle, check. You check again the nozzle is coming out perfect or not. Now you can see it's very good. Only some nozzles is missing. We maybe clean again. You see, white ink is very good. Compared to this one, it's much better.